Hello friends. Every frame you're about to see captures rare and brutal moments when hailstorms struck without warning. Get ready for a journey where the sky rains down ice and chaos. And don't forget to follow so you don't miss the next video. One hit to the windshield, and it's spiderweb.
Literalmente ya no es acá, te parece que... Bueno, para los que están acostumbrados al hielo y la nieve, pues que... Oh my God! Oh my...
And just like that, the storm ends, but the damage remains.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
And there goes the garden furniture, flying.
Various parts of Spain over the past few days.
That roof's holding for now. These sounds aren't normal. This is destructive percussion.
This severe convective weather has not only
possibility of hail.
that hell? Yeah.
When the forecast says light hail, this is not what they meant.
Following the disaster, local authorities
Holy fuck! Oh shit! Oh my god!
That trampoline, ripped to shreds.
He described it as the worst hailstorm he had witnessed in 21 years here. Another video shows hail pelting a backyard pool, striking the water so fast that the churning waves resemble a storm, while trees in the background.
Expected.
Regarde la rivière là-bas à gauche.
In summary, southern Yunnan is currently experiencing complex and variable.
Regarde.
Reports indicate severe injuries due to the hail, with one individual in critical condition.
Even the trees are getting shredded.
In a stunning weather twist, the city of Albacete in southeastern Spain was suddenly blanketed in a thick layer of hail.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna You gonna be able to climb out? Can you get out to the passenger side? We're sitting in the middle of the lane of traffic.
Illinois trooper narrowly avoids becoming roadkill twice.
Okay. Oh my God.
A dangerous situation with a landslide unexpectedly near a motorcyclist, showcasing the power and unpredictability of nature.
Hello, everyone.
The pilot lost control and the helicopter crashed. Fortunately, it did not explode.
It seems like this girl is having trouble handling the situation and needs more time to improve her skills.
We thought the roadside repair shop had nothing to do, but a collision brought a big business opportunity.
Goose crashes through airplane windshield.
No one expected an uninvited guest like this. The bear in Tennessee made the situation both tense and thought-provoking.
Although the driver was lucky to be safe, this incident serves as a reminder of the importance of driving carefully, especially on wet roads.
an unexpected moment when a cement truck hit a village gate and caused damage. This story shows that careful driving should always be the top priority.
Oh my God! Start it up. Start on. We see what that is. Okay.
Death just brushed past his back.
Luckily, the driver was safe. This incident reminds us that when near railway tracks, always follow signals to protect lives.
An incredibly large chunk of the Gray Glacier's ice sheet breaks off and flips over in a spectacular way in southern Patagonia, Chile. The size of the broken glacier is like a 5-story building.
So, who is going to take the blame for this?
Luckily, everyone was safe after the incident, but this is a reminder to notify the railway quickly when a car is stuck on the tracks.
You could say this guy is celebrating his 2nd birthday today. He managed to jump to the side and save himself literally a split second before a concrete beam fell on his head.
The birthday party became even more memorable when part of the floor suddenly malfunctioned. Fortunately, no one was injured.
Mama, look at that cloud. Mama, that cloud's heading straight to us. And look, yeah, it's coming right to.
A scary moment on the tracks when the driver shifted gears incorrectly. Fortunately, no casualties. Always focus and be careful when driving to avoid unnecessary accident.
The wind was so strong that the tent city almost completely rose into the air.
Oh my God! Wir werden alle sterben! Also, der Tornado zieht an uns vorbei, wie Sie sehen. Der Tornado zieht an uns vorbei. Wow, Alter! Geil! Hier, einmal winken. Hallo. Guten Abend, bye. Warte, voller rein.
How did the sinkhole open right under his feet? Was it a structural failure, or was there another factor?
Explosion of a rocket Proton 2013. It is the most expensive rocket disaster ever, costing over $1 billion.
Every clip you saw today had one thing in common. It was real danger, real fear, real survival, from flat floors, tearing through city streets, to pilots landing without landing gear, to houses crumbling beneath their foundation. None of it was planned, but all of it was captured. That's why we do this. To show you the truth, to remind you quickly things can change. If this video make you feel something like awe, fear, gratitude, you are in the right place. Stick around, hit the subscribe, and because the next time the footage might be even more unbelievable.